So I've got a weird one to do now. So I'm using offcuts, as many offcuts as possible to save some money. And if they fit, they fit. It's great. So this is a bit of a weird one. So it's a window frame. So I'm using blue, which is waterproof-ish. And I have to get this bit filled, but the offcut was not quite the right size. I mean, it's close enough. So I'm going to put a piece over the top anyway, so when I do the spike, I just make sure it fits over there. It's not going to be seen anyway because the ceiling's going to be lower, so we'll see. But yeah, so I've got, sorry, bad cameraman. Right, I've got this much space. Where are we? Here we go. This much space. So there's the metal and there's the plasterboard, and that's 4.5 centimeters. So the plan, because that is only, how much is that? 3? Yeah, 3.5 centimeters. So my plan is to cut 3.5 centimeters across here, and then do a straight down there, and I'm hoping it will slide in, and then I'll have a centimeter overlap here, which will then work for the board, which is then going to go across this way and cover everything. So let's see how it goes. Just going to take the rough edges off with my cheese grater file thing. If anyone knows what that thing is called, let me know. Got the angle, so we'll see if that fits. So that worked pretty much, but because it moved along, this bit is now higher, so I'm going to have to take a tiny bit off the bottom. Still doesn't matter about the top, so we'll do that, and then we'll check to see where we are with the window frame, and then next step.